birthday, Mom.
What?
Happy birthday, Mama.
It's not Grandma's birthday. Say hi, Grandma.
Hi, Grandma.
Tell her what you're doing.
What are you doing?
Talk to your grandma.
You get a car?
Tell her you're making s'mores.
You making more now.
Show her.
Like this?
Show her. What are you eating?
Good like that? Like that.
Take a bite.
Yum. Is it good? Mm-hmm. So you talk to Grandma? I don't count the kids there. What's she say?
Is that your fire to make s'mores?
Yeah.
Who built the fire?
Right there.
Who put?
For
Yeah, but who put it together for you?
right there one.
Just said that good timing.
Is that your dad?
Mm-hmm.
Is that the guy who built your fire?
Yeah.
What do you say?
Thank you, Mama.
No.
No, you say thank you, Dad.
Dad. Thank you, Dad.
Thank you, Rose.
You didn't want mine. You got one.
You gonna hurry up and eat that one so you can show Grandma how to make one?
Yeah.
Okay.